Hello guys, welcome back to my video. It's been a long time since I posted another video on YouTube, but here I have another little experiment. It's called a magnetohydrodynamic drive. So basically what you do is you supply an electric charge from one place to another, and there are magnets in the bottom that change the direction of the electric charge. In this case, we are using water here as our moving electric charge or ion. And the magnets underneath it pushes it in another direction, therefore making the water flowing. So let me demonstrate it to you. There are magnets underneath, and these are our electrodes, which throw an electric charge from one side to another. So let's place one there and the other there. Here we have some of our water, so we're just gonna pour them out into there. Great. Now I have my power supply, which is gonna send an electric charge through these electrodes. We'll pass the negative to the bigger one and the positive to the small one. By the way, these are heat sinks, which I got from a circuit board. Well, that's not very good. Okay, that's decent. Here, let's charge our power supply with 5 volts. So if in the water, you might not see any movement. I can put some dye. You can just see it's not moving very much, but that's because the water does not have many ions, but salt over here is an ionizer, so it increases the amount of ions in the water. So I'll take some of my salt and pour it around, and as you can see, it's here. As you can see, it's 5.3 volts and 40 milliamps. As I put the salt in the water, you can see the amount of amps, like over there, amount of amps increase as I put the salt, which means I'm passing more electricity from one metal to another. There you can see some bubbles. That's the process for electrolysis. That's totally fine. And now let's increase our voltage over there to 20 volts. That's really high. And actually now you can see some water movement. I'll put my dye over there. You can see the water flow. Come up here. I put my dye. You can see the water flow. It's passing an electric charge, and the ions in the salt water is carrying it past. And the magnets underneath is pushing the ions in a direction. That's basically what a magnetohydrodynamic drive is. But instead it uses hydro, which is water. Yeah, so I've been playing around with this. Let's add a few more amps. And the water flows even more.